So I've got the JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds, and let me show you how to enable active noise cancelling. Now there are two ways to do this. One is through the JBL Headphones app. So launch the app and then just come to the ambient sound controls module and tap on active noise cancelling. Alternatively, you can put the earbuds on, and on the left earbud, you want to tap on this stalk right there. Okay, just tap right there, and it's going to cycle between the different noise controls or sound controls. So I'm going to put them on. And when I tap on the left earbud, I'm going to cycle through the different options. And every time you tap, the voice prompt will tell you what exactly you've enabled. Now, of course, that's because when you scroll down and go to gestures, if you tap on that arrow and go to the left earbud, you can see a single tap is set to cycle between noise cancelling and ambient aware mode. All right. So that is basically how to enable active noise cancelling on these earbuds. Thanks for watching and good luck.